Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel History of Italy. Before telling about the history of Italy, I want to request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the updates of more and new videos. Now let's start the topic. The history of Italy covers the ancient period, the Middle Ages and the modern era. Since classical antiquity, ancient Phoenicians, Greeks, Etruscans and Celts have inhabited the Italian peninsula, with various Italic peoples dispersed throughout Italy alongside other ancient Italian tribe and Greek, Carthaginian and Phoenician colonies. In antiquity, Italy was the homeland of the Romans and the metropole of the Roman Empire. Rome was founded as a kingdom in 753 BC and became a republic in 509 BC, when the monarchy was overthrown in favor of a government of the Senate and the people. The Roman Republic then unified Italy at the expenses of the Etruscans, Celts, and Greeks of the peninsula. Rome led the federation of the Italic people and later dominated Western Europe, Northern Africa, and the Near East. The Republic saw its fall after the assassination of dictator Julius Caesar. The Roman Empire later dominated Western Europe and the Mediterranean for many centuries, making immeasurable contributions to humanity. Some of these led to the development of Western philosophy, science, and art that remained central during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. After the fall of Rome in AD 476, Italy was fragmented in numerous city-states and regional polities, and despite seeing famous personalities from its territory and closely related ones such as Dante Alighieri, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Niccolo Machiavelli, Galileo Galilei, or even Napoleon Bonaparte rise, it remained politically divided to a large extent. The maritime republics rose to great prosperity through shipping, commerce, and banking, acting as Europe's main port of entry for Asian and Near Eastern imported goods and laying the groundwork for capitalism. Central Italy remained under the Papal States, while the southern part remained largely feudal due to the succession of Byzantine, we can say Arab, Norman, Spanish, and Bourbon crowns. The Italian Renaissance spread to the rest of Europe, bringing a renewed interest in humanism, science, exploration, and art with the start of the modern era. Italian explorers including Marco Polo, Christopher Columbus, and Amerigo Vespucci discovered new routes to the Far East and the New World, helping to usher in the age of discovery. And at the end, I want to tell you about that following the liberation of Italy, the fall of the Social Republic, and the killing of Mussolini at the hands of the resistance, the country abolished the monarchy with a referendum, reinstated, reinstated democracy, enjoyed an economic miracle, and founded the European Union, NATO, and the group of six later G7 and G20. It remains a strong economic, cultural, military, and political factor in the 21st century. Hope you guys like this video. Share this with your friends. Subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.